We see the impact of our community's generosity every day.
It's just knowing that when it's out of our hands, there's someone else there to pick up the pieces, I guess, is really comforting.
I saved the best for last.
We see it in the little moments. We hear it in the heartfelt and sometimes heart-wrenching stories that families share.
It's Cohen's actual handprint. I had it made into a stamp. It was really special for us to get a bear when we were in the hospital. We wanted to give other families something to hold when they left, just so that they didn't have their arms empty when they were leaving, and something to just keep in their arms when they are home.
It could be something that seems so simple.
My name is Chris Johnson. I'm the patient ambassador here at the hospital, Bronson Battle Creek. Just coming to check and see how you're doing, see how the staff did taking care of you today.
These touch points really do make an impact.
I want them to know that their voice is going to be heard and they don't have to feel that they have to keep anything in.
We're going to learn all about different feelings when we're in our time together. I hope that they can believe in themselves, that this is a journey that is really hard, and that's what's going to help kids thrive, because now we're helping them survive and we're helping them thrive.
The gifts can be not just life-changing, but sometimes even life-saving.
This warmer is regulating the baby's temperature, which is critical when they can't do it on their own.
In 2021, we distributed more than $8.1 million from a diverse group of funds. And in passing along these gifts, we've come to understand our responsibility for ensuring that each program and service that we support must be looked at through an equity lens. And so we know there's a long way to go on that journey, but we're so inspired by the work that's being championed by people today.
One of my biggest passions is providing equitable health care. Centering pregnancy has some significant impacts on health outcomes. For starters, patients who are enrolled in centering are way less likely to have preterm birth. They're far less likely to have a low birth weight baby and more likely to breastfeed their babies.
Pregnancy is very scary. You see other people going through it too, so you be like, okay, I'm not the only one. I don't feel left out, by yourself.
We pulled the trailer over and had car seats and Spanish-speaking technicians.
It's great to have these car seat checks for migrant families. We want to make sure that the families are able to keep their children safe.
It's a wonderful thing to be able to identify gaps where they exist and be able to reach families where they are.
We're dealing with humans, and the employee is a human person who is going through a pandemic just like the patient, maybe in different ways, but some of that, their spiritual needs, their emotional needs overlap.
They've been there for me, they've helped me get through it, so they've been very good support. It's good to have them, and it helps out a great deal, mentally, physically, and emotionally.
I just want you all to know that due to your tremendous care, I'm here today. I am okay, and I'm eternally grateful. This endowment is just one small way we can show our gratitude and offer our support to the staff at Bronson, who continue to save lives every day. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all that you did for me and all that you do day in and day out for the patients who are in your care. You're truly lifesavers. Thank you.